Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network. Can XDC Network ever hit $100 realistically? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of XDC at the time of the recording. So guys, this is the chart of XDC. It is down 2.84% for the day. Like most of the cryptos, guys, everything is in the red almost. So the price is almost 4.5 cents, dollar 0.04608. So yeah, it went as high as 0.048 and as low as 0.0461. Okay, so yeah, if you look at the 7-day chart, guys, it had a huge spike over here. I thought that it was about to move up, and but as usual, it came back down. This happens a lot in the crypto market, guys, when you think that the price has gone up, and suddenly selling pressure comes and the price drops. And if it is backed with the overall market sentiment, which is in the red, then that move tends to be much more extreme. But this isn't extreme whatsoever. This is not that much. If you look at, if we consider crypto 0.063, it even went to 0.063. So this is great, all the way from 0.04479. So significant gains, guys. And if you look at the monthly, so it has come back down and it is trying to test these crucial support areas over here. So let's see what happens to the price. If you look at the yearly chart, guys, then we'll see that it has still hasn't touched that yearly high of almost 9 cents, guys, which it went from almost 3 cents. It is yet to be seen. The price is consolidating still, in my opinion, and in my opinion, it will go up and test this out soon. Let's see when that soon is. Even if you look at the all-time charts, the all-time high of XDC is 18 cents. And in my opinion, in the next bull run, it will break this and go beyond, but not financial advice. Let's see what happens. Because in my opinion, what XDC is doing, guys, being a $640 million market cap at the moment, it is and undervalued for what it is doing. It is disrupting trillions, guys. To be fair, but realistically, it is disrupting trillions. But let's see. Let me show you guys this very interesting article that I found. This is from Emma Evan. This was published on December 8th, 2023. So check this out. Will XDC hit $100? XDC price prediction for 2024 and beyond. So let us look at this article. This is a really interesting article, and we'll discuss some crucial facts in this as well. Let's see. So, according to Emma in the get-go, she's saying that XDC is very unlikely to ever hit $100, since that would imply a market capitalization of over 1.2 trillion. XDC reaching $100 is not impossible, but it would require the XDC network to truly reach widespread adoption and become a real rival to Bitcoin. Yeah, given current trends, it would be very difficult to argue for such a scenario. So, this is a small piece of what XDC Network is. For those of you who do not know about XDC, we've made a lot of videos. You guys can check that out as well. But in a nutshell, XDC Network is a blockchain platform that went live on mainnet in June of 2019. Anyways, what it is doing from a technological standpoint, the XDC network is built using the Hyperledger Fabric framework and designed to support blockchain use cases for enterprises. So basically, XDC Network is primarily targeting enterprises. The network features low gas fees, which makes it an efficient choice for enterprise users that require a large amount of transactions. In terms of consensus, It uses the delegated proof of stake consensus. And guys, the validators on the XDC network need to verify their identity through a KYC. So if someone wants to become a validator, they would need to verify their identity, which makes the network friendlier to regulators. So this is why they are regulatory friendly. The XDC network supports smart contract functionality and is compatible with the EVM machine, the Ethereum virtual machine. So, anyways, it is also ISO 20022 compliant. This is a messaging standard that is used within the payments industries, the banking industries, and top players are using this standard. So check this out. The ability to interoperate with systems used by the banking industry. So it is well optimized with that standards, with the industry standard. So this is the XDC price history. We already know where it went. We are not interested in this at the moment, but let us check this out. Well, XDC hit $100. The reason why we think it is very unlikely for XDC to hit $100 is because that would imply a market capitalization of more than 1.2 trillion, like I told you guys before. But let me basically add another perspective over here. The market that XDC network is disrupting is more than trillions, guys. I think even the real estate, real world asset tokenization, the market is going to reach $16 trillion by 2030. And XDC network aims to tokenize the trade documents, which, if not trillion, but hundreds of billions, only in that regards. And if we take into account the global trade finance, guys, the global trade finance gap that XDC has basically highlighted is 1.5 to 2 trillions at the moment, and it will increase significantly in the future as well. So, I mean, it is really, really difficult for some asset to hit a trillion market cap because obviously, guys, it would have to be a Bitcoin competitor. I'm just making a small case for XDC. If it were to hit it, it would be due to its fundamentals of disrupting the trade finance industry as well as tokenization market. So in that regard, if it hits these levels, this it would be due to those catalysts. And one more thing, guys, there are other utility proponents as well who say that utility has never been tested. We never know when so much transactions happens through a project where the price is going to be, where it will cap finally. I mean, that is also a perspective. So I really like different perspectives. So this is a realistic perspective that Emma has given. Realistic in a sense that if we look at it in conventional, traditional finance terms, guys, in terms of Bitcoin market cap, in terms of finance market cap, where check this out. Let me show you guys. Yeah, if you look at the market cap of huge giants like Apple, Microsoft, Apple micro market cap is 3.02 trillion. I do not know when. I mean, this is according to the 8th December 2023 figures, so it can change at the moment. So, anyways, so Apple 3.02 trillion, Microsoft 2.75 trillion, Saudi Aramco 2.13 trillion, Alphabet, Google dollar 1.72 trillion, Amazon 1.151 trillion. Check this out. Meta being such a huge brand, but it hasn't even hit it is not even trillion according to this data. $839 billion. Tesla being such a big company, $771 billion. Berkshire Hathaway, 768 billion. So you get the idea, right? According to this, for it to hit $1 trillion, this would mean that XDC would have to become one of the biggest and largest companies in the world. So it has to be in the company of these 10 largest giants. I'm not saying it is impossible, but it depends on what people are looking for in their investments. It For what it is doing, what the market it is disrupting, it is mathematically possible. I mean, if $16 trillion and $2 trillion gap it is trying to disrupt, mathematically the transactions that it is going to be having, or the use case it's going to be having, can lead it to have $1 trillion market cap eventually in the very long term run. in the very long run, it can possibly hit those. But given what we've seen with XRP for this moment, if it were to reach these levels, it is going to take a while, guys, a very long time. Uh, at this point, and at this point of history, it is going to take a while. But nothing is impossible, obviously. And if any project can do this and achieve the impossible, it is XDC for what it is doing. You guys know how bullish I am on its ecosystem, the projects that XDC has. But what do you guys think? Can XDC finally rub shoulders with giants like these top 10 companies in the world? I would like to hear your opinions as well, guys. And if it will eventually do it, when that will be, I would like you guys to share your timelines and price predictions as well. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.